Ever-increasing prescription drug cost hits everybody in the wallet, and when a pet is ill, these costs can sometimes cause the owner to have to make really difficult decisions between treating the pet, allowing a disease to take its course, or euthanasia. So it's always prudent to do your research when your pet is prescribed any kind of prescription medicine. Sitting down to do price comparisons, both online and via telephone, can literally save you hundreds of dollars and possibly be the difference between the life and death of your pet. Today I'm going to walk you through an example of a price comparison I did, and at the end I'll show you not only the staggering price difference, but also give you 5 extra tips to save you money on your pet's prescriptions.
Stand, good boy.
For the purposes of this video, I'm using an example of Palladia. This is a chemotherapy drug commonly prescribed by veterinarians for the treatment of mast cell tumors and other cancerous tumors in dogs. With about 30 minutes of research both online and by phone, I found the following prices for 15 80 milligram doses. This is given 3 times a week for 5 weeks, which is a common chemotherapy course for a 75-pound dog. These 15 doses of Palladia at Chewy cost $747. At 1-800-PET-MEDS, the same dosages cost $717. At Sam's Club, $676. And at CVS pharmacies, the same dosage cost $496. But in veterinary medicine, there's another avenue definitely worth researching: compounding pharmacies. Pharmaceutical compounding is the art and science of preparing customized medications for patients. Staffed by licensed pharmacists, these compounding pharmacies have specialized equipment and certifications, use FDA-registered manufacturers for their active pharmaceutical agents, and must meet tight USP regulatory standards. Some of the reasons someone may use a compounding pharmacy include a needed medication that might be back-ordered or is no longer even being manufactured, a patient that is allergic to an inert or inactive ingredient like a preservative that's in a manufactured medication, the need for different dosage form for hard-to-dose pets. Depending on the drug and the need, compounding pharmacies can make dosages in the form of a chewable tablet, a quickly melting tablet, liquid suspension, gel, creams, and more. The need for specific medication strengths that simply aren't offered in the manufactured form. Adding flavoring like chicken, bacon, or cheese to make the medication more palatable to the pet. Optimizing dosing to save money. For example, say a dog needs a prescription of 100 milligrams a day of a certain drug, and that drug is only available in 100 milligram capsules. Well, a compounding pharmacy may be able to make a scored tablet of 200 milligrams, which can easily be broken in half, and 1/2 used one day and 1/2 used the second day. And this optimized dosing can often save significant money. And finally, because compounding pharmacies are often working with generic bases of medication rather than the brand name, their prices are typically far more favorable. For this price comparison, I contacted Wedgwood Pharmacy, who is the most well-known compounding pharmacy for veterinary medications in the United States. Through Wedgwood, the cost of the 15 doses of Palladia was $144. Besides the huge cost savings, by compounding, the 80 milligram dose can be given in just 1 capsule as compared to 3 of the manufactured tablets, which may save owners of hard-to-dose pets a lot of aggravation. Some other commonly prescribed veterinary drugs that are definitely worth pricing through compounding pharmacy include pembobendin for dilated cardiomyopathy, gabapentin for pain, or doxycycline for the long-term treatment of lepto or a tick-borne disease like Lyme or Rocky Mountain spotted fever. And as promised, here are 5 more tips for you to keep in mind when you're price comparing prescription drugs. First, always ask if there's a similar acting drug that's available that might be a little bit more affordable. Ask if there's a generic version of the drug. For example, The veterinary drug Metacam is available in a much cheaper generic human version called meloxicam. Ask if the medication is available in a larger size that may be safely and reliably split up into the proper dosage. If your pet's going to be treated long-term, ask if a 90-day prescription might be more affordable than 3 30-day prescriptions. And don't forget to look for discounts on common pet medications through the GoodRx app and discount card. If you successfully use these tips, let myself and others know down in the comments below what the drug was, how much you were paying, where you found a lower price, and how much you're saving now. And if you want to know what drug to never give a Doberman, watch this video. Take a bow. Good job.